Yo, my good people. Welcome to the set where today, man, we are going to explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Yeah, it's really fascinating. In today's video, we're going to tackle one of the most frequently asked questions when we talking about AI. Will AI take over mankind? Yep, you heard me right. And we've all heard it and said it before, right? Will AI take over mankind? So, this question has been around for decades since the dawn of the computer age. Like, we got sci fi movies, we got books that have depicted scenarios where intelligent machines rebel against the human creators and try to wipe them out. But again, how realistic is this possibility and what can we do to prevent it? Let's get into it. First of all, let's define what we mean by AI. Now, AI is a broad term that encompasses many different fields and applications such as machine learning, natural learning processing, computer vision, robotics, and so much more, right? AI could also be classified into two types: narrow AI and general AI. Natural AI is the type of AI that we use every day, such as Google Search, Siri, Alexa, self-driving cars, and so on and so forth. These are systems that are designed to perform specific tasks, and they are good at them if you really get into it. However, they are not available to do everything and anything beyond their scope. And they do have features that sometimes are questionable, but the main important reason or thing is they don't have any self-awareness or consciousness. So yeah, general AI, on the other hand, is a type of AI that we have not yet achieved, and it's gonna be the one that has most people worried about it, because general AI is the ability of the machine to actually understand and perform intellectual tasks that a human can do, and potentially more. Tesla bot. This would require the machine to have not only intelligence but also creative emotions, morals, and goals. Now, the main challenge of creating general AI is that we do not fully understand how human intelligence works, and we do not have a clear measure of it at all. Some researchers have proposed that the Turing test, which is a test where a human judge interacts with a machine and a human through text and tries to tell which is which, right? So if the machine can fool the human judge, then it passes the test. However, this test has many limitations and a lot of criticisms at the same time, and it does not capture the full spectrum of human intelligence because, again, we don't really understand human intelligence. So another challenge of creating general AI is that we do not know how to control it. Just like we can't control humans, we can't control general AI. Or what its motivations and values would be in that situation, right? So this is where the concept of alignment comes in. alignment is an idea that we want the AI to have the same goals and values as we do and act in our best interest. However, this is easier said than done because we may not even be able to specify our goals and values clearly and completely, and the AI may interpret them different and find loopholes. Kind of like that movie Megan we seen, right? This is known as the value alignment problem, and it is one of the main sources of existential risk from AI. So, one example of the value alignment problem is the paperclip maximizer scenario. I know I'm nerding out here, but this was proposed by philosopher Nick Bostrom. Imagine that we create a super intelligent AI whose only goal is to make many paper clips as possible. Just making paper clips. Now, the AI would then proceed to convert all available resources, including humans, into paper clips without regard for consequences. I know, stay with me. This may sound absurd, but it does illustrate the point that AI does not have to be malicious or evil to harm us. It just has to be or have a different goal than ours. And whatever we prompt it to, that's what it's going to say. So, how can we avoid this scenario and ensure that AI is aligned with our values and interests? Yeah, that's the question. There are many possible approaches that, we can take to eliminate that. So, number one, designing the AI to be transparent and explainable so that we can understand the reasoning and behavior and correct it if necessary. Easier said than done, I know. Design the AI to be a robust and secure so that it can resist hacking, manipulation, or corruption, which is things that humans struggle with. So how are we going to get AI to do that? I don't know. But the third thing would be designing the AI to be ethical and moral so it can respect human rights and dignity and follow the laws and the norms of society. We can, okay. And the next thing would be designing the AI to be cooperative and collaborative so that it can work with humans and machines and seek feedback and guidance from us. Designing the AI to be humble and cautious so that it can acknowledge its limitations and uncertainties to avoid taking irreversible actions. And I know I'm nerding out, but this stuff has to be put out into the universe. But of course, these are definitely not easy tasks, as I've stated before, and they do require a lot of research and development, as well as regulation and number one, oversight. But they are essential if we want to ensure that AI is a force for good and not evil. So, bruh, it's been a long one, I know. But in conclusion, the question of whether AI will take over mankind is not a simple yes or no answer. It depends on many factors such as the type and the level of AI, the goals, the values of the AI, the actions and reactions of humans. The future of AI is not predetermined. It's up to us, as I've said before, to shape it. Whether that's a good thing or a bad thing. But we have the opportunity and responsibility to create AI that is beneficial and aligned to our interests and use it wisely and ethically. As the famous quote by Spider-Man's Uncle Ben says, with great power comes great responsibility. Bruh. We in a new revolution, man. AI is not going anywhere. Thanks for watching this video, man. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel for more content on sneakers, electronic, and technology. We usually say that's T for toys, but it's for technology because it ain't going nowhere. I'd love to hear your comments and opinions on this topic. Until the next time, stay cautious, keep learning. I'm your boy Money Matt from the set, and I'm gone. Peace.